How to see your reels on Facebook quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to see reels on Facebook. So let's get started. It's actually really easy. What you guys need to do is you will open up your Facebook on your mobile phone, or you can even open it up on your laptop. It also works same for Android and iOS. So once you open up your Facebook account, the first thing that you can see is that you have like what's on your mind, and then we have stories and reels. So what I want you guys to do is you will just switch from stories to reels right here at the top. So it'll show you all the reels from your friends or people you follow. Then what you need to do is you will just open up any of the random reels. I'm just going to open it up. So you can see this is a reel and I want to see my reels on Facebook. For that, you will click on your profile at the top right corner and it'll open up the reels you have posted. You can see right here, my reels. I have not created a reel, that is why it says 0, but you will be able to see all of the reels you create right here. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.